Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to save money on Dyson vacuums. This particular model is B7. The battery already been replaced with the aftermarket battery, but battery still not holding. Plus, it's not a removable battery, so every time you're trying to clean up and the battery dies, you have to charge the vacuum for a long time, then do it again. So they came up with the adapter that will use DeWalt battery, which can be removable. You can have several batteries while you're doing the cleaning. You can charge the other battery, replace it, and continue cleaning. This is going to save you money on the new vacuum, and I think it's a pretty great idea. They also have it for Milwaukee battery if you have a Milwaukee ecosystem, and other battery types. Check out the link below for this product. Let's get to it. We're going to need the vacuum, DeWalt battery, adapter, and I'm using screw gun with a Phillips #1 tip. First thing we're going to do, we're going to remove this screw right here from the base of the handle. We're going to reuse the screws so don't lose them. Now it helps if the vacuum is empty because we're going to open it and some dust is going to come out. There is 2 more screws. We're going to take them out. We're reusing them, so don't put them aside. Now the battery ready to come out. Came out. We got the adapter. We're gonna insert it the same way like the battery was. Make sure it's going in all the way. Put the screw in there. 1, 2. Now we're using the screw gun. And only one thing left is the screw for the base of the handle. Now we're going to close everything, insert the battery, make sure it clicks. It should be working and sounding the same way like with the original battery. We have the DeWalt battery installed. Instructions said do not use less than 4 hours battery for DeWalt. This is 20 volt ecosystem. If you got more than one battery, it's great because you can insert it, make sure it's fully inserted. You should see no difference in the performance of the vacuum except for you got interchangeable batteries. And that's pretty much how you do it. All the materials and tools I used in this video are in the links below. Please check them out. Also, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and hit like on this video. Thank you very much. That was Legacy Handyman. Have a good day.